So today I am in need of a little bit of an adventure. So me and Hetty are going to take a ride through some Cotswold roads and go to this wild swimming spot that I go to when I'm needing a little bit of a quiet moment. There are lots of places near me that have wild swimming places, but this one is a bit secluded. You've got to walk a bit to get there, so you don't find many people there, which will be perfect. So, let's go. So I've never actually ridden a bike on such loose ground, so to me this really caught me off guard and I wasn't entirely sure what to do. So I just took a moment to pause and assess the situation and then went from there, whilst trying not to panic and drop the bike. So I put the bike in first gear and really slowly let the clutch go whilst giving it a teeny bit of a throttle, but the bike didn't go anywhere and I could feel the back wheel spinning and just digging itself deeper, so I just decided to get off at this point and take a deep breath and figure out what to do next.
Fuck. Oh my god.
I've just managed to get the bike moving again, but you can see here is where the wheel got stuck, and as soon as I came into the car park I realised that the surface had changed. It didn't used to be gravel, it used to just be a normal tarmac car park, and I almost dropped the bike for the first time, but I saved it. It's a good thing I was like covered. Oh my god, that was terrifying. I honestly thought I was going to be stuck here. So, going to chain her up and then go and find this lake to go for a swim. In order to reset and make myself feel relaxed, I often need to find a quiet spot in nature where I can just unwind and be by myself without the pressures of modern life. And in the summer I especially love to find a wild swimming spot. There's some swans. One's there. out of here. Long walk back to the bike to get it unstuck. I am feeling a bit nervous about this. See how we go. I've got no choice than to get it out of the gravel.
Here my thoughts were that I would manually reverse the bike and walk it forwards, until I realised that I wasn't as strong as I thought I was, so decided against it. I successfully just turned her around from where I was parked here with all my stuff. Oh my god, I thought she was going to fly out from under me. It's so loose, I don't know if you can see. There's just no grip, so the wheels are digging in and spinning. I'm in first gear going really slowly, and I am just walking it to the exit over there. But yeah, it's a bit nerve-wracking. We'll get out of here, it'll be fine. She's back on pavement. Let's get out of here. Oh my gosh. After my little swimming adventure this morning, I got a message back from someone on Facebook Marketplace saying that they had these bad boys ready for me to come and collect. So I drove an hour and 20 minutes from my house to go and pick them up, which is so far the longest journey I've had on this bike. There was so much stuff that I haven't thought about before that I experienced on the way over. So for instance, the wind in my face, it dried out my eyes, it dried out my mouth. I know it's a hot day, but still, my lips got really dry. I got bugs in my eyes. I was like squinting like this for half the journey. And also the wind force on the main roads was quite strong. So I found that I got pushed quite a lot. So that was something to contend with. I think I might have to get a bigger windshield than what I've got. It's quite diddy. But here they are. I picked these up for 20 quid. Strap onto the back. They don't hang low, they've got loads of storage, they do expand. So these, as well as a top box, are going to be perfect for my trip abroad around Europe. I think the bike looks really cool. It's starting to look like a adventure bike. So now it is just gone 7 PM and I think I'm done for the day. I've got about 45 minutes to get back home. I'm halfway back from picking up the soft panniers, so I'm going to get back on, just fueled up, and I think I am going to get an early night because I am shattered. Finally got home, put Hetty to bed. It's been a really long day. My hair is really messy, but the next time that I upload a video I will probably be abroad somewhere. So stay tuned and look out for something exciting.